We do it for the vlog.
Good morning, vlog world. Everybody we are watch. Go on. Happy holidays again. I literally just wake up, put on that hat here. And you can see me do a little decor in my place, you know. Make your place look. Figure fit on under one light here, you know. Hold on. Where remote? Alright, we do it again. Come and prepare for this. Good morning, vlog world. Oh, everybody are do panda holiday here. Happy holidays to everybody all over the world. And thing. Over the weeks, me I get couple messages. Oh, Trabass, I need to drop the vlog them more current, bro. Yeah, slack already. I know that dog will miss me daughter. She gone to New York. Me not go cry. But no man, me I put in some work. If you not watch this, that mean me just drop a vlog and one short film. Me kinda iffy boy short film, cause me never shoot certain scene. But me don't know how it turn out now if you get what me I say. But me there edit it, I hit this on the computer. You probably go watch it already, but before that vlog get drop. But today are the holiday, not today. Sorry for this. Me if you go do me here yesterday, but the woman pack out, cause everybody want to go do them here. So she said this morning. So that's why me wake up now. Let me put on back this. Cause me know me have to comb it out before me come on the vlog look so. Sorry yeah man. Sure. But yeah guys, we there and we are do it for the vlog. Me I try to be more current to do now. As me say, we are going to try to drop vlog on Monday and Wednesday. That's one good time. Monday, Thursday. Better. Monday, Thursday. For sure now. We're not going to get a vlog on Monday, Thursday. Until August. Sometimes we're not going to get more vlog than usual. But that's how we are going to work with. The regular schedule is Monday and Thursday. You hear me? I tell them. Alright, so we're about to go start with you. Oh, what this one? We're about to go start the day and get some work done. You see me? Streetum cartel show go on. Streetum, wait name? I never remember, but from last night me I drink rum. Cartel, you did it with this one. I think this one is my favorite, the Unstoppable. Last night me drink it. Man, tell you say me feel unstoppable for real, you know. Me say, me not like lonely, you know. Big holiday and I be alone there. Me here Chimane something there, so me even have to have an anything there. But I say big up to everybody on the holiday here. We are venturing off in our New Year's 2025. I'm more blessed the whole I will make it for 2025. I be here where things are going. Alien are come from the sky. People are dead off. Just thank God son there, bro. You see me? I wanna don't know we know Christmas vibes and thing already. Me change my sheet, you don't like it? Me find the ugly sheet to put up on the bed. You see me? Me have to keep the pillowcase the black because me ear drain the aisle out of it. So, you know it pretty good. But, today at Christmas, if you watch this, I probably the day before Christmas or the day after Christmas. Me don't know when this will drop. But, I want to big up everybody out there again. You see me? And, if you watch this short film out, me drop a short film so you can go watch it and thing. What is my fit tell you now? During this Christmas time, just show love. You see me? And appreciation to my friends, family, anybody. You see me? I'm going to spend Christmas by myself this year. I don't know. I just talk to my daughter on the phone anyway. So that make my Christmas. I don't really need nothing. I don't want nothing this Christmas than my daughter communicating with my daughter. That's it. I don't know what we have planned for today, but I'm going to find some things to the phone. You see me? I have some house, I have to stop to get some food. I don't know how that go. We in there. We really appreciate everybody who are watching this. Remember, click the like button down there so and thing. We're going to turn up a vlog phone, you know. And you see, because of Christmas, I want to do something special. I don't know, but to them we probably dress up in this. And go up on the road. What want to say? Drive up and down, go see my friend them in this and catch a reaction. Florida, you know, I'm going to make you know if I do that. I'm going to make you know. But I'm going to do one video with this real quick for Instagram. So, I'm going to go and stay tuned. We're going to do it for the vlog. Mad up on yourself.
Yeah, she have a man but still want fuck me have a me ex a tell everybody me a the me nah go lie, me think I chew me a the just living life and fucking bitches a me no wanna fear you. Your pussy fat and it a cause a lotta. When me call me sugar mama, she a fix the. You know me girl, you know me. Have too much girl fi keep on bitch and data. Me cut her off, the pussy come with too much. She a the, me a the, and everybody knows say do what we are. Ooh, oh, yeah. Boom boom, not my problem.
International.
Yo! Wagwan vlog world. So right now we outside. Late in the night right now. Yo, when you see me make that video there, and me go put on the Santa suit. Me no know. I jump up and yo, me know me no fit, you know. Me I go back and ride the bicycle and I'm early morning, you know. I do something they do me bicycle, me never ride the bicycle and me couldn't see. But me I go back to exercising, yo, cause me know me no fit. Me no fit at all. Me say me put on the Santa suit. Me jump up and down 2 times. I almost black out. Me no a cap. But we outside tonight. Me just stop at 2 house. And me never vlog it. A Christmas holiday and you don't know. We had a house hopping where we go from house to collect food. Look at there. Well, in the dark, so you're not gonna see it. But we just left from house to house to pick up food and thing right now. Me have about 2 food in my car. Me slap one already. And we about to go to our next house. You see me? That house where me I go. Me don't really know people them that good. But me I go try a video. You see me? They invited me, so I go in. Alright, so go and stay tuned. Me I go link up with Savage. So probably me and Savage touch out and go. You see me? Probably me and Savage go. Me go link Savage right now. Me I go over him crib. Me I go over him crib and see what I deal with, and then me catch up back with you. So we go and journey with me. As you do it for your vlog.
I'm gonna disappoint you. Millions spent on 150 never so.
Somehow don't remember from long time we don't see her. We there with Lexi.
Hi vlog world.
Remember
Vlog
Lexi?
one.
Lexi in my first movie when me ever shoot a Fort Lauderdale. Me and Lexi are friends for years now. When me just moved come up, before me move come up Fort Lauderdale.
True.
She was one of the first girl and me and I was friends at Fort Lauderdale. But she live way up here so now. And me live way down so. So through me then I hear me link her and me take her out her house.
God, come, me not go road no more.
We go road. No, we just randomly say we are going to one party and we know say Dirty Decks are play tonight. So we are going to pull up on Dirty Decks. Remember Dirty Decks in the movie?
We are find your deck.
Decks, we are find you. You see me? So we go and stay tuned. I do it for your vlog. How my thing?
It's Jesus' birthday. Jesus, happy birthday, my dog.
Love you.
I'm mad thing. I buck up in one of my fun them.
Well, I can't die.
Yes, I just the blessing.
Oh, don't give me that rule, lover.
Father God blessing. One more blessing.
Trabass, when they give me that rule, hey, people, let me tell you what me like.
Them can't stop me.
You know what now? I love breasts. I love breasts. Every day of my life, I suck your breasts. When I wake up in the morning.
First look at today and then night right here on the veranda. You understand? It's gonna be
Alright, so vlog girl, you hear me I say after party. You see me? We are got Aurora. Hopefully we are got Aurora.
We're drunk.
Me and Lexi lit right now. How much drink we drink?
Fucking.
We can't come, but we're nice.
Yeah.
We're under influence, but we're nice.
We're going to Aurora.
We can't pronounce the road.
Aurora. Something.
We got Aurora.
Lounge.
Lexi, I have to go up on Galley side. Go up on
Hey,
Galley
Siri.
side, young star page, and there you go.
Hey Siri.
Siri don't know the name of my place.
Oh, we are going to pronounce it.
Go up on Galley side or young star page.
Wala.
But yeah, we are going after party right now. Go catch a vibe.
Oh,
See
me
you,
did in
man.
I process a post one thing.
Jesus Christ, I ain't no post it.
I'm not post nothing.
You fuck
And that's
up.
so Instagram not like me, no man.
You fuck
I'm
up.
behind. Why? But yeah. Sorry.
Alright, so right now we're there after party. She have work, come on in. You have work. So right now, vlog world, we just left up the club. Aura Lounge and thing and thing.
Aurora Lounge.
Lexi can't pronounce the word. Aura Lounge.
Aurora Lounge.
And thing and thing.
Hey,
We're going
that's
to our
two
car.
things.
Huh? Where?
It's right there.
Oh yeah.
It's our competition, apparently.
We're about to go to our cars and call it a night.
You know the beach there, Eso?
Mm-hmm.
You feel it?
Yeah, cool. So we went 2 spots. We went 2 clubs. We go about 3 or 4 houses.
If tell people something do this, they would have never believe you.
Right? So now, and now what time? What time now? But we tell me time.
Oh
What
God, my friend, me look.
What time? About 5?
No look.
What?
Wait.
Look and tell
No
them.
look.
5? 3? 3:56. I know 5 o'clock yet. Me not be sleepy. Look at next thing I control. Mommy not be sleepy. She have to go work tomorrow. Me I go wake up, boy. Me not gonna lie, me go wake up and edit that vlog your phone. So
Hey, we can't split the pool at a bad luck.
are you not gonna split it?
Me know
So
I'm
so we both free call it a night now. You enjoy your Christmas?
Nobody on the road.
Empty. Me and Lexi alone up on the road I cut right now.
God.
No
I
split
was
the road.
sorry.
Alright, me walk over here, so yeah.
Yeah, man.
So how you enjoy your Christmas?
It was great, you know. I just sit and feel like I'm there Jamaica. That everybody there Jamaica and like Grand Market and then something that we don't have Grand Market of foreign.
No.
So we have to find Grand Market like
True.
one local market. Mini
Me I go
market.
invent that party style and call it Grand Market.
So
Every
I have to
Christmas.
find one something.
Every Christmas me I go keep it and call it Grand Market. Me I
Yeah,
keep on
man.
party and call it Grand
I have one
Market.
cousin from Jamaica right now for real and she asked me if no, but no when that they're foreign or we do Grand Market.
I'm going to do it. So I'm going to journey with me as we do it for the vlog. Me no know, probably when I go on my vlog again, phone. Where your fall? Fall no they are foreign, you know.
Shut up!
A mongoose say your call, not foul. Get up now!
Yeah, she have a man but still want fuck me have a. Me ex a tell everybody me a the. Me nah go lie, me think I chew me a the. Just living life and fucking bitches a me. Me no wanna.